Ever heard of a floating post office?
Imagine writing a letter or sending a postcard from a place that floats on water. Sounds like a scene from a fairy tale, right? Well, it exists in real life. In India, there's a unique post office that will make you rethink what's possible. Located in the beautiful city of Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, this post office isn't on land but on water. It floats on the famous Dal Lake, surrounded by majestic mountains and vibrant houseboats. This post office, established in August 2011, not only serves the local residents but also attracts tourists from all over the world. It offers all regular postal services, sending mails, banking, and even has a philately museum inside. Sending a postcard from here means it gets a special design, marking it sent from the floating post office, making it a memorable souvenir. This floating marvel shows how innovation and tradition can combine to create something extraordinary, blending seamlessly with the local culture and lifestyle.
Ever heard a parrot paint a rainbow?
Imagine a jungle bright and early, sun peeking through the dense canopy. Now, zoom in on a peculiar scene. A parrot unlike any we know, crafting rainbows not in the sky but on the very leaves it perches upon. Yes, you heard right, a rainbow parrot. This isn't your average bird story, and here's the twist. These parrots possess a unique diet, feasting on berries and fruits rich in pigments. What's magical is how their beaks secrete a special enzyme, turning these pigments into a natural paint. As they nibble and peck, they literally paint the foliage around them, creating dazzling patterns of color. This phenomenon, hidden deep in unexplored corners of the world, showcases nature's unrivaled artistry. Every sunrise, their canvas begins anew, a fleeting masterpiece till the rain washes their art away, only for the cycle of rainbow creation to start over with the next dawn.
Did you know the galaxy holds a lost language?
Imagine, far beyond our reach in the vastness of space, there existed a civilization that communicated through a language of light, a dialect composed of brilliant colors and luminous patterns. This civilization, known as the Lumineers, thrived in a corner of the galaxy untouched by humans. Their language, Lumineers, was not just a means of communication, but a powerful tool that could control the fabric of space itself, bending light to create pathways across the stars. The Lumineers believed that the cosmos was a living entity that could listen and respond to their luminous dialogues. However, with the rise of a cosmic storm that reshaped galaxies, the Lumineers disappeared, leaving behind no trace but the faintest patterns of light drifting through space. These patterns have occasionally been witnessed by astronomers, often dismissed as peculiar anomalies or beautiful mysteries of the universe. The legacy of the Lumineers and their lost language of light remains one of the cosmos's most enchanting secrets, a reminder of the unknown wonders that exist beyond our earthly confines.
Did you know there's a volcano that spews ice?
In the vast and varied landscape of Mexico, there's an extraordinary natural wonder that contradicts the very essence of a volcano. Tucked away in the state of Puebla lies the glacier volcano, also known as Iztaccíhuatl. Unlike the fiery mountains we're accustomed to, this remarkable volcano defies all expectations by producing ice instead of lava. Due to its high elevation and cold temperatures, the volcanic rock is covered in glaciers, giving the appearance of ice spewing from its craters. Legend has it, Iztaccíhuatl represents a sleeping woman, preserving her cold beauty for eternity. This phenomenon not only captivates geologists, but also enchants hikers and photographers from around the globe, drawn to its unique blend of fire and ice. Iztaccíhuatl challenges our understanding of nature's marvels, offering a breathtaking view that combines the ferocity of volcanic landforms with the serene, sculptural beauty of ice.
What if I told you that Vikings had an obsession not related to raiding?
When we think of Vikings, we immediately imagine fierce warriors setting sails to raid and pillage. But what if I told you there was another side to these Norse explorers that history seldom mentions? Yes, aside from their notorious exploits, Vikings had a passionate love for gardening. Shocking, right? In the heart of Scandinavia, beyond their sturdy longships and fearsome reputation, Vikings cultivated lush gardens. They grew a variety of plants, not just for food, but for medicinal purposes too. Their knowledge of herbs was not just practical, but had deep roots in their mythology, connecting them with nature in profound ways. So next time you think of Vikings, remember, beneath that helmet and behind that shield, there might just have been a keen gardener, tending to his herbs after a long journey across the seas.
What if I told you there was an ancient civilization that could control weather?
Imagine a world where storms and sunshine are at the command of humans. This is not a fantasy tale, but a chapter from the lost pages of our Earth's history. Hidden deep within the jungles of an undisclosed location, the Theronian civilization thrived over 5,000 years ago. These people were not ordinary. They held a secret power that today's science can only dream of, controlling the weather. How? Through a combination of unique crystals found only in their region and intricate rituals passed down through generations, the Theronians could summon rain during droughts, clear skies for their celebrations, and even divert storms threatening their crops. But their power was not limitless. The overuse led to unpredicted catastrophes, eventually causing their own downfall. Today, all that's left of the Theronians are ruins overgrown by the forest and the whispered legends of their incredible abilities. This forgotten chapter of human ingenuity shows just how much we have yet to uncover about our ancestors' connection with the Earth.
Did you know Aristotle had a secret obsession with the stars? Find out what he discovered.
Long before telescopes and space probes, there was a man whose eyes were fixed on the night sky. That man, Aristotle, is well known for his contributions to philosophy, but little do people know he harbored a secret obsession with astronomy. Far from the public eye, Aristotle spent countless nights mapping the stars, convinced they held the answers to the universe's greatest mysteries. Using nothing but his naked eye and the earliest forms of astronomical tools, he made observations that were astonishingly accurate for his time. Aristotle believed that the Earth was the center of the universe, a view that influenced astronomical studies for centuries. But here's where it gets interesting. He also theorized about the existence of other worlds, much like our own, a concept that wouldn't gain traction until many years later. While his astronomical works were overshadowed by his philosophical teachings, Aristotle's starry nights laid down the foundations for future explorers of the cosmos to dream bigger.
Ever heard of cosmic sheep?
Imagine a universe where stars aren't just balls of gas burning billions of miles away, but instead they are fluffy, bouncing cosmic sheep. Yes, you heard that right. Cosmic sheep. In this whimsical galaxy, each star in the night sky is a glowing, gentle sheep. These cosmic creatures graze on the dark matter, illuminating the void with their woolly brightness. During the day, they nap, blending in with the bright sky, but at night they awaken, giving us a spectacular light show. The brighter the star, the fluffier the sheep. And what about shooting stars? They're just cosmic sheep racing across the galaxy, leaving a trail of sparkling dust in their wake. This, of course, is a fun, imaginary world, but wouldn't it be magical if our universe was illuminated by such enchanting creatures?
What if the stars could guide entire civilizations? Discover the lost star navigators.
Long ago, before the known maps and technology, there existed a civilization deep in the heart of what we now call the Forbidden Wilderness. This civilization, known as the Astral Navigators, had an extraordinary connection with the stars. Unlike anything we know today, they didn't just observe the stars for beauty or scientific curiosity. They understood them on a profound level. The Astral Navigators believed that the stars were the keepers of ancient wisdom, and that by interpreting their patterns, they could navigate not just the physical world, but also understand the flow of time and destiny itself. Their entire culture revolved around celestial events, and they built monumental structures perfectly aligned with the constellations. They were able to predict natural events and navigated vast distances, reaching corners of the Earth that were unknown to others of their time. However, as centuries passed, their knowledge was lost, buried under the dust of time. Only recently have explorers found relics suggesting their existence, sparking a quest to uncover the secrets of the Astral Navigators. Could unlocking their celestial guidance secrets change how we view our place in the universe today?
Did you know the galaxy has a lost civilization?
Imagine a civilization so advanced, yet completely unknown to us. Beyond the echoes of our universe lies the forgotten lineage of the constellar Archetes. Once thriving on it rich in crystal energies and cosmic harmonies, Their existence shaped the very fabric of space-time. The Archites mastered interstellar travel, not through technology as we understand it, but through harnessing their minds and the natural flows of the universe. Their cities, ethereal and shimmering, floated in harmony with celestial rhythms. Yet, their profound understanding of cosmic balance came with a price. An experiment to expand their consciousness across dimensions went awry, causing a cataclysmic event. This event didn't just erase their presence physically, but almost wiped their existence from the cosmic memory. Hidden in the fabric of space, whispers of their legacy continue to inspire tales among star travelers. The constellar Arctis remind us of the fine balance between advancement and harmony with the cosmos. Their story, a legend lost in the stars, waiting to be rediscovered.
Did you enjoy these 10 strange facts? We will bring you more interesting topics in the next video, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy.